Welcome to the Observic tutorial for reporting and data management. In this video I'll demonstrate how to generate reports on the data collected through your forms in Observic and filter the results using the groups you've already created. Please note that these features are only available to users with administrator access. So, once logged into Observic, we come here to the dashboard. You will see some cohort key indicators, a statistical summary of some of the more important data collected from your Observic reviews. However, we will now look into reporting in far more depth. In the header menu, we will click on Admin Stuff and then down to Reporting, which will take us through to this screen. Again, we see the cohort key indicators from the dashboard screen, but it is by using the drop-down menus here that we can filter our data to find more detailed statistics for Observic reviews. We can select a particular form to see the data obtained from the users reviewed using that form. We can also then filter further by selecting a user group in the second drop-down menu to see the data obtained by just those members. To find a particular review, we can select the tab Reviews and a list is shown in chronological order. From there, we can look into specific reviews like this example here. Also, a very useful feature of reporting is if we click on the Reports tab. We can now see combined data shown by ring graphs for each of the criteria within an observation form. Should we wish to identify which staff have achieved a particular grade, simply click the grade in the key, like this. You will then see those staff listed and can open up their reviews to view their performance. That concludes this video tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.